Today I'm going to show you how to examine the constellations. This is a quest that you need to do in Crimson Desert. And first you need to find that little helmet thing, Constellation Helm, and it's really easy to find. It's just right there at the Scholastone Institute. Now it's kind of tricky. What you need to do is you actually need to come here to the radial and activate it first before you can use it. And then when you use it, then you'll find the constellation up in the sky, but it's very tricky. You can't just find any part of the constellation. You have to actually line it up a certain way before it'll actually work. And so that was a constellation right over there. And you need to walk around it until it looks something like almost somewhere around kind of like this, like a box, almost like a whole box, and it'll brighten when it's almost there, and then you just have to keep examining it. So it's kind of a little tricky to get it to line up, and it's kind of frustrating to get it to look the right way here. But let me just move around like that right there, and then it's going to keep flashing a little bit and you have it. And if you look at my map there in the lower corner, you'll kind of see where my guy is in relation to the map. But there it is. It's kind of like pulsating a little bit like that. Just sit there and just keep doing that, and then eventually it's going to actually complete the quest. So you have to do it several times. It takes about 30 seconds or so of just going back and forth and having that brighten and pulsate like that. So it's not very intuitive at all at how you're supposed to examine this and use the helmet to investigate, but this is how you do it. And then finally it'll be investigated and it'll end that quest. So that it's kind of tricky, and then it'll just dissolve into the atmosphere like that. So that's how you do it. Not very intuitive. Hopefully this was helpful. Let me know in the comments. Until next time, take care and happy gaming, everyone.